I'm in my zone, can't fail. Got my mindset on grade, like I am home, no doubt. Time to raise it too loud. I'm gonna light up the sky, gonna play it strong, 'cause I've got that fire inside, lighting up my heart.
All right, y'all, here I am. Hello, Nibblelet. Y'all can't see Nibblelet. Hello, Nibblelet. Y'all, I got burned real bad yesterday. I think I'm going to include that clip in our video here today. But I got burned really bad yesterday. Really bad. Very lucky. But welcome back to my channel, Misty's Pleasures of Life and Good Home Cooking. Y'all, I had to look down to see what sweatshirt I was wearing. Anyway, hello, Nibblelet. So we are going into 2025, we are doing a reset for our mental and physical health and weight loss, all of that. So this video is going to be a low carb meal. We're doing intermittent fasting 2 days a week to see how that goes. And the rest of the week is our normal recipes, all that good stuff. This is keto. Well, not necessarily keto, but low carb. Fiesta chicken casserole, all in one pan, which is our cast iron right here. So y'all, it's also very economical, very, very budget friendly. So just about anybody could do this. But let's go ahead and get started, y'all. Don't forget, this is my main motto. Y'all know I have more than one, but my main one: never look back and never give up, y'all. Let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up, and I'm going to see you. All right, y'all. I definitely needed more than one green pepper for this recipe, but it is all that I have, and we are going to have to just make it work. So, you know, what can we do? And I don't have the extra money right now to go and buy more peppers or anything. Not until the end of the week. So we're just going to utilize what we have. So we are going to slice up our green pepper here into thin strips. Well, no, I'm going to dice it up into cubes. And then we'll do our onion, because we have to do onion too. It'll be all right. I think I might have some frozen peppers and stuff. I'm going to look in my freezer, y'all. All right, y'all. Look what I found. So this is in the freezer. It's the 3 peppers and onion blend. And I'm going to saute that in our cast iron. And I'll bring you over there in just a little bit. For our peppers and onions here, since they were frozen, I am going to let them just thaw out a little bit in here. You see all that water? I'm going to soak that up with some napkins, because I don't want all that water, and it's too hard for me to pick up this cast iron skillet, because it's heavy. So let me get this water out of here. Okay, we got all of that water out of there. So what we're going to do now is just mix these with some olive oil. And then we're going to come in with some taco seasoning. And I'm just going to do a little bit right now on these peppers and onions. And we're going to add a little bit of the Badia Complete. We're talking teaspoons here, y'all. And then we're going to do a teaspoon of the Kinders smoked onion. And let's just mix that all up in here. Let that saute while we come over here and do our chicken thighs. Okay, y'all, we're going to cook our chicken thighs chopped in batches because we do want them to fry and get a little bit of a crunch. And I'm really not going to put any seasoning on them right now until everything comes together. Okay, guys, I did add a little bit of Mexican seasonings, Kinder smoked onion, and some smoked paprika. And I'm going to go ahead and add some Kinder's caramelized onion butter. And we'll do this to every batch.
No looking back, heaven knows it's time to get up and go.
All right, y'all, we've added our onions and peppers back. Now we are going to add some more smoked paprika. So let's go with a teaspoon. I need to get some more of that because I'm all out, you guys. And we're going to add our Mexican seasoning. And we're going to add our Kinder's caramelized onion butter. Now remember, this is a low carb meal. We're doing the intermittent fasting 2 days out of the week. That doesn't mean we can eat like pigs the rest of the week. You know, we eat like, still watch your calorie intake and all that, but you don't have to be restrictive on carbs like the first 2 days. But y'all, this is really good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add a half a block of cream cheese.
Oh, life passing by, can't go slow, no, no. We ride it once, then we're done. I'm gonna light up the sky, gonna play it strong. Cause I got that fire inside, lighting up my heart.
And now we're going to add a cup of sour cream. That's a little more than a cup. That's like a cup and a half, so that'll be all right.
I'm gonna light up the sky, gonna play it strong. Cause I got that fire inside, lighting up my heart. Oh yeah, light up the sky. Cause I've got that fire inside. I'm gonna light up the sky, gonna play it strong. Cause I got that.
Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so, so good. Now to top that off, we are going to do a blend of triple cheddar cheese mix.